Hello everybody, this is Desy, and in this video we're going to talk about how to add a new attorney to your database. So we're going to go ahead and expand contacts, and we're going to click in attorneys. And then from here you may click add attorney. So here's the form. Again, pretty same as adding a new client, adding a new server. So you have your first name, last name, initials, firm name, the primary email, phone numbers, mailing address, and physical address. Now, if this attorney, it's just an attorney, but it's not going to be a client, make sure that you uncheck this box. Very rare, an attorney is also going to be a server, so we're not really going to worry about that, but the option is there. So let's say we're only adding just an attorney. We're going to have this form, which is pretty much the main contact info. And then we're going to have the attorney options tab. So in here, you may add the bar number and you may set up the affidavit barcode settings. If this attorney was actually a client, then you would get the client options tab, which we talked about on how to add a new client video. And then the attorney options pretty much is just going to be the bar number, because the affidavit barcodes would be set up from this tab instead right here. But let's say this is just going to be an attorney. So this is what we get here. Then we have the contact section. Same thing. You may add a contact, name, email, phone number, extension number, and you may go ahead and set them up as a default, so on and so forth. Now, as you can see, this one doesn't have the send monthly client statements because this is not a client, it's just an attorney. If it had the client, the attorney is also a client checkbox selected, then you can see how it becomes available. Notes, same thing. These are miscellaneous notes that you may keep for your attorney, and it has the same settings down here where they can be visible when the job starts, or when the attorney is selected, or when the job is done. Next, we have the WSP connectivity tab. You may set up a login name and password for your attorney, and that's pretty much it. If this is just an attorney record, is not a client, they can't transfer work to you because only clients can, and you cannot set up email settings because email settings are just for clients. So this is why this is grayed out. And lastly, we have attachments. You may, once again, just add a new attachment for your attorney. It could be whatever files, whatever PDF attachments that you need to keep for this specific attorney. And at the very end, you would click accept, and your attorney is added. Same as adding a new client and adding a new server, you may also add them when adding a job. So if you click on jobs and you click on add a job, when you're searching for your client, it doesn't exist, then you click on new client. When searching for attorney and it doesn't exist, you click on add new attorney and the form comes up. And then when you are adding your party to be served and you're searching for a server and it doesn't exist in the database, then you click add new server. So this is pretty much it for adding entities as far as client, attorneys, and servers. If you guys have any question, once again, don't forget to contact us.